Hey, in this video we're going to take a look at the search features and how you can search your Git repository. So you access this just from the search icon on the top, and then you can enter your search query to search. You can also get it to match by case or to search on regexes using these little checkboxes here. So the search will search for three different things, right? You have references, commits, and files. So your references will be like any branches and tags. It will just look in the name of those. The commits will look in your commit message, the author's name, and the commit ID, stuff like that. And you can click on this to bring you to the commit in your repository. And the last one, the files, it will look through the commit history, any changes that have been made, and it will search for your search query within that. So we can see, for example, here we have this source matrix.ts file, and there have been two commits where the word class was found. So you can click on this and it will bring up a little diff view showing you the change of that commit. So we can see that this line was changed, which has class in it. And we can look maybe at the other one here. This is when this line was added. So that's what it's searching for. And again, you can click on the commit or on this button to take you to the commit. And you can also click to blame the file from here, which we'll look at in another tutorial later.